All right, next problem, we have a proportion and a probability problem. So we have 20% of all persons prefer strawberry to chocolate ice cream. The probability that less than 18% of persons in a sample of 1,000 will choose strawberry is approximately, okay. So we are asking for the probability that in a sample, or actually, sorry, we're looking at proportion here. So p hat is less than 18%, so 0.18. Okay, so that's what we're looking for here. So let's see what we have. We have a sample size of 1,000. Okay, we have a mean or a p of 20%. So p is 20% who like or prefer strawberry, which means our q is going to be 0.80 because these two have to add up to 1. And we need the standard deviation. So standard deviation of p hat is going to be given to us by the square root of PQ over N. So let's do that first. Okay, go here. The square root of, let's see, 0.2 times 0.8 divided by 1,000. So 0.0126. Okay, so I'm rounding there. I'm going to be rounding a couple times as I go throughout this, so it is going to be slightly, everyone's going to get slightly different numbers depending on how much you round, but as long as you're within about 0.02, so about 2%, you should be good. Okay, so there's our standard deviation. So here's what we want to do. We want to normalize the score, okay, or standardize it. So we're going to find the z-score, which in a proportion is given to us by p hat. Okay, so that's our proportion that we want, minus our mean of p hat over the standard deviation of p hat. So we get to say p hat a lot. So in here, this is 0.18 minus. Now the mean of p hat, remember from our previous lesson, okay, the mean of p hat is equal to p. So it's just that 0.2 there. So 0.20 over 0.0126. That's going to give us our z-score. Of negative 1.5873. All right, so we have our z-score. Here's 0, here's negative 1.5, probably about right here. And what do we want here? We want less than, so we're going this way. So we want this area right here. Okay, we could look that up on our z-chart if we wanted because we're getting areas to the left on our z-chart. Okay, or we can use our calculator command here. So we're going to the left, our lower limit is going to be 99. So we're going to go normal CDF, negative 99, negative 1.5873 is our upper limit. Our mean is 0, our standard deviation is 1 for those of you using a TI-84. So second bars, normal CDF, negative 99, negative 1.5873. So that gives us 0.0562, 0.0562. Okay, so that is this area here. And what does that mean in context? So that is the probability that less than 18% of persons in a sample of 1,000 will choose strawberry over chocolate ice cream. This is the probability. So it is roughly between 5 and 6% probability that these people will prefer strawberry over chocolate.